Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today, we'll be offering a step-by-step guide on how to set up your Google Map list. First, let's create a new app page. Go to the Setup. Search for Lightning App Builder. Click New. Set a label, for example Account Map Explorer. Click Next. Select one region and click Finish. On the left side in the Component Explorer, search for GM, Google Map List. Drag and drop the components into the page. Set account as object name. Set accounts map as a custom label. For the filter, paste this configuration. You can configure the map using either these fields or the latitude and longitude. Set name as title field. For the details fields, you can set this example. Set a standard account as a list icon. Check the show border. After you've finished, click Save, and activate this page on the Sales app. If you'd like, you can reorder it. Back to the Sales app. Perfect, our component worked properly. You can easily switch between map and satellite view. Here we can see the name as the title. And from here we can see the list of the accounts. Clicking on a location on the map will highlight its corresponding entry in the list. From here we can see the record detail. Let's create a new filter that will only show records located in the United States. Click Apply. Clicking on a record in the list will guide you to its corresponding location on the map. From here, you can either view or edit the record. You can edit the record if needed. In addition, you can fully view the record. Back to our component. Thank you for watching.